there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I refresh my curls. So basically what I do when I go to sleep is this is how I have my hair in a pineapple, and then I just have like a scarf wrapped around the perimeter of my hair so that I basically don't have any flyaways or anything like that. And this is also a satin scarf, so it's really not creating any frizz or anything like that. It's just laying my hair down. So let's get into this. I'm just going to show you how I refresh my curls every morning after I have a wash and go. Now I'm going to take a water bottle and I'm just going to spray the back of my hair first. You don't really want to soak your hair, you just want to get it damp as possible. And then I'm going to take the Devacurl Supercream and I'm just going to take literally a little bit like that. And I'm just going to rub that onto the bottom of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and spray the perimeter of my hair as well. Again, you're not making it soaking wet, but you're just getting it a little damp. You're just reactivating the product in your hair. I'm just kind of smoothing out this section. And again, I'm going to take a little bit of the Devacurl again, the Supercream, just to smooth out the front of my hair. And what I'm going to do is, once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to try to like pull down that section a little bit. So once you finish doing that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna shake out your hair, and voila! You see how easy it is? I've kind of been like wearing my hair this way. Before I used to wear it completely in the front, but I do need a haircut. So I've kind of been leaving it off to the side a little bit until I do go to get a trim. And what I do to finish off is I use this Mongongo oil from Ouidad. It's really, really good. And all I do is I'll spray it into my hand. I spray it about 4 times and I just kind of scrunch my curls. And basically what it's doing is just putting some moisture back into your hair. So, and then all you're gonna wanna do obviously is, because since it's wet, a little damp in the front, I'm not going to play with it too much in the front, but all in between, I'm gonna make sure and just fluff it up a little bit. And I really like the volume right now. So I really hope this helps you guys out, and it does save you a little bit of time in the morning, especially if you have my hair type and you have drier edges or things like that. Hopefully this method works for you. It's really easy for me. And then, you know, if your hair is just damp in the front, it's gonna dry really quickly. So it's really not necessary for you to completely dry it over again. It's gonna dry probably in about 20 minutes or so. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know how you guys refresh your curls and what products you use to refresh your curls. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.